so here are the items that you're going to need to make a wreath similar to this. So first, pick out any flower. I am using sunflowers and they are fairly large. I got these from Walmart and they were $3 for the bundle of flowers. Then I also got 2 of these, but I think I might only need 1. They are also from Walmart as well. And these ones were $2.48. And the last type of flower I'm going to be using is eucalyptus. And I just cut little pieces of it here. And this big bundle, and this was only 1, was $3. So I got to cut it individually into quite a few different pieces. And then now you also need this little cutters here to cut your flowers. And like I said, I already did that. And then you will also need a glue gun. And now, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing yet. I'm either going to be using this welcome sign and stick it into the wreath somewhere. This is from the Dollar Tree. Or I'm going to be using this little wooden sign here and staining it and then putting some sort of welcome or hello or something on there. I'm going to kind of see what it looks like. And then you will need some sort of ribbon. This is from Walmart. And I really kind of like the colors it had in there. It's actually kind of like a navy color. And then you will also need some burlap ribbon as well. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start just placing my sunflowers. And kind of just wherever I think kind of looks nice. And then you're going to use fill-in pieces to kind of fill in the rest of the wreath. And I'm only doing half a wreath. And also I'm doing a bigger bow right here. So I do want to leave a little bit of room there so I can glue my bow in that place. I'm going to be taking a pretty long piece of the fabric here to make the bow, because I can always cut some, but I can't add it on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make a standard little bow here. Okay, and I kind of like how that's looking there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess. And I always make sure to cut your ends at an angle, like the bottom of your bow here, just because it'll help with fraying, and then it just looks a little bit nicer and cleaner as well. Okay, and now you're gonna take the burlap and create another bow with that. What you're gonna do is about the similar type of bow. And you guys, to get a good bow, you just need to work at it quite a bit to get it kind of the way you want it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually glue this one just right on top of this other bow. And then I'm going to actually take a little bit of eucalyptus And cut the stem off of the sunflower and glue that in place. And when you're done, it should just look something like this. Okay, so now take your bow and you're just going to set that into place. Okay, and I can already tell I have too many sunflowers. Okay, so now I'm gonna just start taking filler pieces and start filling in around my wreath. And this is how you're gonna get what you want. It's sometimes hard to figure out where things go, but just keep going. And I'm even gonna take some of these little tiny pieces of yellow and kind of just even take those off and incorporate it into certain areas. And you'll kind of figure out what you like. Okay, so once you have everything placed the way you want it, you can go ahead and just start gluing. So just take one flower individually and put it exactly back where you got it, and just go ahead and glue all the pieces in place. Looking in my craft little area, and I found this sign, and it was from a fall sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to be using this as the center little piece that I'm going to add. I'm just going to take some greenery to cover this up, and I think it'll work perfect, and I don't have to change anything besides get rid of that little leaf on the side. So I think that's going to work great. So all I'm going to do is just take this little piece of greenery and cover that spot. So then it'll look just like that. Guys, and here is the final product. I absolutely love how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please, if you guys make this spring wreath, make sure you guys tag us on Instagram, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.